School of Beatbox.
Now the classic 808 snare is another cool sound to add to your beatbox library. Having different snares is a great way to show off your skills without actually needing to change that much at all. If you are showcasing your beatbox skills, changing the snares for different beat patterns is an easy way to show that you have some tricks up your sleeve and keep your audience engaged. The first step to creating this sound is to make the same sharp, high-pitched sound as when you make the vocal scratch sound, like this. Now we're going to add the sound sh to the end of it to create We want this sound to be short, sharp and crisp sounding for the best effect. To add some variation to the classic 808 snare, we can simply change the shape of the mouth like this. The technique stays the same, only the shape of the mouth changes. Here it is in a beat. You can try using any of the beat patterns we've already used and just put in the 808 snare in the place of any of the other snares, or you can try making your own beat patterns. As a tip, listen to a track that you like and try and write out a section of the beat pattern yourself. Experiment with different snare sounds, and you can even try adding some of the sound effects into the patterns too. So there you have the classic 808 snare.
School of Beatbox.